I mean, it's obviously fake patina.
Is your height deficient step?
Well, actually, my old shoes had a big hole in them.
I still think you just need to buy a paint gun.
I do have a paint gun.
Oh, you do have one now?
I have several.
Oh, when I saw the video, you were just rattle canning.
Yeah, because it's easier.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It would have been nicer, but I planned on sanding most of it off anyway, so it didn't matter.
Oh, is that what you did? Just sand it down?
Yeah. The other side, I'm still not super.
So this will come back.
That's the point. Yeah, that's why it's sitting out the cover on. But this side,
What's that over there?
What's what over there? What? You son of a bitch! I hate when you actually got me. I know there's nothing over there. What the fuck?
Told you, you're getting a penis sharpied on your roof.
Well, she's definitely penis deficient. You know.
I like the roof a lot better now. The solid patinas don't look good.
No, yeah, it needed a little color.
I was actually gonna put a vinyl top on patina itself because it was like yours, just solid patina.
It looks like crap. See, when I said in the video, this car used to have blue on the roof, and it just got overtaken.
Yeah, because this was a hard top, right?
Yeah. This is a hard top car, and that's why I wanted to keep, you know, like the lead seam. And
I really like what you did with the stent or the striping around the truck.
That wasn't me. That was my buddy Jason.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he did all the, you know, the little speed marks on the Jezebel and did all the drop shadow.
Oh, okay.
And he was like, dude, I got a crazy idea. Can I just get like freaking, you know, creative control? And I was like, sure. And he did this, which is pretty much gone now. And he did all those.
I like that little stuff. It just looks total 70s.
Yep.
Freestyle pinstriping.
I need to get Jason down here.
Same thing. Well, I'm gonna do the on Smurf. It's gonna be painted back to blue, and it's gonna have the gold pinstriping on to accent the striping. And then it's gonna have the little gold right here around that, and probably the gas cap.
Yeah, that'll look
sweet. I was gonna do like you did with Smurf here.
Yeah.
But I think I'm just gonna leave it blue and just maybe put like a small like Smurf character somewhere.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Just don't do like the typical Yosemite Sam, please. Oh, you know, just every old street rod from the 90s got Yosemite Sam, guns blazing right on the, like a whole thing.
No, I think in the tail stripe, I'll probably just put a small
that'd work.
Image of a pissed off Smurf or something. Yeah, I forgot I have a car here.
Yeah, you do.
I'm like, what the fuck is? Oh, that's mine.
First time you got to see it in person.
I think it's cool.
I like it.
It's a piece of shit, but it's cool.
I like the history of it, if nothing else.
Well, what I'm gonna do with this thing is kind of like what you did with Jezebel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave a lot of the patina on it.
It needs more color though.
But I'm gonna add.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it probably like that Ford blue. With like white and gold lettering.
I kind of like that cream and red it had originally.
I wasn't too fond of it.
Well, I mean, it's a choice.
I don't know what you're talking about. There's plenty of room to get in this car.
Well, for a scrawny dude like you always got to remember when I did that video, I was fresh out of cancer surgery.
Well, that means you're lighter.
Well,
because they cut some out of you.
That's true. There wasn't much to cut out of my head though. They should have took it off my gut. It's got that big truck eating rear end. I had all that figured out, but that's all gonna go.
Yeah, get rid of that.
Yeah, we priced out them hogs heads. Good God, I think Mopars are expensive. You know, we probably could make this thing run and drive, Chris. I was actually going to take that NASCAR chassis I have and just cut this chassis off of here, but actually it doesn't look too bad. Like the welds on it are actually good. Yeah, they're not awful.
I mean, most of the circle track cars I've seen back in the day.
Oh yeah, that weld right.
That's not bad at all. And that, like that right there.
Yeah.
Like.
Well, one of those is factory Ford. One of those.
Oh.
One of my viewers knew this chassis. Huh. This frame, at least. What? But yeah, if you look down where the cage was added, I guess it really ain't too bad.
No, they didn't do too bad of a job. I mean,
it's safer than some I've seen.
I would actually probably, I think I'd probably just leave this.
Maybe make it
probably just touch up some of the rot where you can see it's been sitting in the ground.
Yeah.
On the frame over there.
I'm just saying, I got a slant 6 and a 4-speed overdrive right there. It's a fresh unit. It's, you know, it smokes a little. Ran when parked. Ran when pulled, I should say. We can just, you know, take that thing and we could probably do that in a couple hours.
I'm pretty sure you know my feelings on 6 cylinders.
I know your feelings more on cold.
They're about in the same category.
Yeah, it's not great. Here's your sign I had to make for you in case the city ever got pissed. Waiting for a neglectful owner. But it's got 4-speed pedals in it.
Of sort?
Well, yeah, close enough. I mean, there's 2 pedals and then there's a gas pedal somewhere.
I'm surprised it still has this trim on here.
I know. Well, one of your cap pieces was missing.
So this is actually a Galaxy chassis?
It's a Galaxy or a Fairlane. One of my viewers picked it out almost immediately. It was kind of amazing.
Well, yeah, because this car itself was all unibody, so.
Yeah, it definitely needed this frame.
Somebody robbed all the tin out of it or something. Because you could tell this was all riveted tin. It was all filled in.
It would have, yeah, I couldn't imagine you racing with this open.
No, you couldn't.
Yeah, there are the rivet marks right there. Oh, you got a keen eye.
Yeah.
But this isn't my...
Has the old school NASCAR headrest.
Yeah, I dig it. I think it's cool.
Yeah.
We had everything free. Yep, there we go. Everything's still free up here. I don't know if the front brakes are still free or not.
Well, I'm thinking, yeah, I'm going to do like that Ford blue with, and I'll probably... Is this a 67 or 68?
7.
7?
Buddy Billy pointed that out.
Oh, what's the difference?
I don't remember.
Oh.
He knows it pretty hardcore.
Well, I'll probably put like 67.
Yeah.
And then right here, I'll put Dodge. It's going to have a Dodge power plant.
Oh, you said it on camera. God. All right, guys. It's not me. You know, I'd probably leave it a Ford maybe, but you got to take the hate right on over to there.
Yeah, but I have to make it to where both parties would like it.
Yeah. You could paint it like Ford blue,
That's
you know.
what I was gonna do. I was gonna do Ford blue.
Just like a petty.
About like the Dick Trickle purple, but that's
Yeah.
him. I kind of want to make the car me.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get rid of that axle just because it would be cool as a novelty, but as for functionality.
Oh, dude, have you seen the rims on the back? They're split rim.
Yeah.
That's why we can't change your tires on the back.
Well, I found rims to replace that.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That would work, but it's just so god awful heavy and ugly. I just put a fucking 9-inch in it. Because even, I think it was in the early 70s, the guys were already starting to use 9-inches in the race cars anyway.
It just makes more sense. It's cheaper.
Lighter.
Well, hell, that freaking pumpkin I found for that.
8 lugs on the rear axle.
Well, that's true. Those pumpkins I found were like $800-900, and you know those things are, but
no, it's interesting. That's for sure.
It's definitely
actually
cool.
Better than I was thinking.
A lot of people hate it. They just want you to cut the roof off and sell the roof and scrap the rest. But I kind of like it for the history of it.
Well, you just hammer dollies with dents all out of it and stuff.
It's actually not that hammered for...
No, for a dirt track. The guy was either really slow or really fast. Because if you're in the middle, your car's fucked.
Yeah, and that's what I was astounded by. You know, it's not as hammered as I figured it would be.
No, it's actually pretty good.
I've been oiling that.
You can tell the car was originally red.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that freaking keen eye on Mr. Birdsong.
But I don't think that's the original hood because this is maroon.
Yeah.
So you got maroon and then you got red.
Well, and we have a green trunk extension back here.
Yeah.
But the original's over there still attached. This was just laying in the back and I didn't want some crackhead to steal it because, well, there's a trailer park right behind my house.
Yeah, I'll just make some cool scoops.
Yeah. Because they're obviously not here and I don't think either of us want to, well, you're definitely not going to spend the money on that stupid shit.
No, I won't.
Maybe knock out this dent right here, which I don't think this dent would be too hard to knock out.
Are those lift arms on there, or are they a link?
That's a good question.
Oh, it's a lift. Okay, yeah.
Looks like a slapper bar.
Yeah. I'm surprised they didn't just take that one off because you'll get more drive coming out. Just that one on the left rear.
And they probably didn't know.
Well, you can tell they were manipulating the right rear leaf spring weight by having an adjustable bracket there for the leaf spring. So it's always interesting to see the history of how they progressively got these cars to work better and better, and some of the hillbilly trickery that they used.
That's the only way you're gonna find out.
Yeah.
And you got the 2 separate lines right there for your air shocks. Right there.
Oh, they had air shocks on it.
Yeah.
I didn't even, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, they do, huh?
Yeah, right there. Air shocks, and you got 2 separate lines so you can change your ballast side to side.
Yeah, so they even had air shocks to adjust the spring rate too.
Yep.
Huh.
Of course, this is way before, you know, fancy cars and stuff.
No, but looking at this car in the era that it was built, this wasn't a cobbled together hillbilly dirt car. This was actually probably a really nice car.
It probably was.
Yeah.
I mean,
this was probably one of your higher end cars that was built back in the day.
What I really love about it is the wheel wells. The wheel wells are kick-ass.
Yeah. Well, because the pictures that oh yeah, they raised them up, huh?
Oh yeah.
And rolled them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the pictures I have of the car and everything, the guy said that this car was built in the late 60s or 1970.
This car was damn near brand new still.
Yeah.
It's only a couple years old.
Well, that's how my dad's.
It was probably like your dad's car stolen and shit.
Yeah, my dad's race car. That car was turned into a race car in 1967. And it's a 67 Firebird.
Damn it, you're so tall here. There we go. Yeah, you're not that much taller than me, but
because it was a theft recovery.
Yeah, that kind of makes sense for this thing.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm surprised they had manual steering though. Of course, the guys back then weren't little pansies like NASCAR like they are now. They were actually men.
Oh, you had to be a real man with a big old set of testes to get in this thing.
Well, not only, they even had, they had adjustable screw jacks on the. See, that's all stuff that's pretty ahead of its time too.
Oh yeah, damn.
The adjustable screw jacks for the springs.
This is the furthest I've been in this car. I just love the steering.
Yeah, that's how my dad's car originally was too.
I dig that.
That's what they did back in the day to get faster turning radius. Because you know, if it was manual steering, the turning ratio was like what, 22 to 1 or something like that.
I have no idea.
So by making that, because you know the timing chains are 2 to 1.
Yep.
So that would have made it, 11 to 1.
Oh, we did break one of the brazing welds when we took it off the trailer.
Oh, is the body all brazed?
Well, this stuff I believe is brazed. It used to be brass right here.
Man, look at these freaking headlight covers. Those
Oh,
things are freaking.
yeah, that's beef.
Steel there.
Yeah, that was made.
I was gonna say the guy. I was thinking at first, I'm like, well, the guy wasn't in the back of the pack because there's no dents in the front of the body. But when you got 1/4-inch thick fucking plate.
Yeah, this thing was made to freaking hammer. But yeah, this fender was attached, and when it got knocked off the trailer, but that's easy to fix.
Oh,
Well,
I'm actually gonna fog in the blue. I'll redo the sheet metal, and I just threw away some rusty sheet metal too. I should have kept it.
But I actually got a bunch of tin aluminum. If you weren't into General Lee.
Huh?
Yeah, I got a bunch of aluminum, real thin aluminum for like door panel material.
Yeah, but the aluminum won't turn into this.
Oh yeah, it's true. It'll look too new. Fair point.
No, this car is actually more gooder than I was thinking.
Well, good. Think you ever gonna be able to get Finnegan to race you?
Yeah.
Well, you'll definitely have him on skill. He's got you beat on budget.
Oh yeah, I'll kick his ass. I've seen them on dirt.
Your battery box is still in place.
Oh, they have it in the front?
Yeah, it's right there.
Huh, I guess they just wanted to put weight on the right front then.
Yep.
You think they would have wanted it in the back for that?
Oh no, your shift rods are still there for that little lightning style shifter.
If you can call those shift rods, those are just all threaded rod.
Well, close enough. It works.
Oh, and actually, those right there are actually shift rods, but if you look through the top,
Yeah.
that's just threaded rod. Or just solid rod.
Well, yeah, those right there. That's homemade.
Yeah.
They saw like the Speedway kits. At least you can buy that brand new, that whole deal. In fact, a buddy got the whole deal. He said he'd sell you if you wanted them. But yeah, it's pretty nifty. Oh, and don't forget your NOS foam loco shock. Yeah, just right back in there. This has been kind of a dumpster for us.
I'm just gonna bring an engine and a tranny and just drive it home.
Yeah, I don't think it'll need much. No, I'll just.
I don't even need a battery. If you just give me a push start, it'll run off the alternator.
Well, I think I might be able to run that fast for about 5 seconds. You know,
it still has I like that it still has the tail panel in it.
Yes.
It's not just solid sheet metal.
I like it.
Yeah.
It still looks like a Mustang.
Yeah, no, this is really cool actually.
This is the right Mustang.